Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the first ever Demo Dundies brought to you by Storylane. Today, we celebrate the finest interactive demos in SaaS. I'm your host, Jackson Eldridge, and allow me to introduce one of my 70 cousins, Luca Conqueras. He'll be my co-host for today.
Hey, everyone. Jackson is kidding. We are not actually related.
All right, to open the Demo Dundies live in style, we have our very own Matt Reuter and his guitar. Give it up for Matt, everybody.
$9,986,000 minutes is the total amount of minutes you've wasted on calls. 9,986,000 prospects could have educated themselves in a Storylane demo that you embedded on your homepage, which is really a simple process. 9,986,000 minutes. It's a ridiculous amount of minutes. You can make a Storylane demo in like 10. 9,986,000 use cases. Storylane. You can embed on your website or send in a campaign and track all the data right back to the contacts. Show on a sales call or send in a leave behind. Track all the data right back to the lead. Embed in your documentation for self-education and give your support team a break. Because Lord knows we all need a break from our 9 to 5 so we can enjoy our 5 to 9,986,000 reasons for the Storylane demos to make everything better. 9,986,000 moments of clarity you'll bring with a Storylane demo, so you can leave your computer and go outside and enjoy the real world for a little minute before coming back to make another Storylane demo because it's so great. Welcome to the Demo Dundies. Here's my dog. She doesn't care.
All right, you were on fire, Matt. And no, this is not a drill. All right, now let's get this party started, shall we? Brace yourself because anything can happen at the Demo Dundies.
That's right. Before we get started, a few announcements. Please keep your acceptance speech short. I have wrap it up music and we're not afraid to use it.
I don't think that will be needed, Jackson. All right, we are at the Demo Dundies live. Today, we've got 5 categories, 5 finalists in each, and a grand prize of an all expenses paid trip to Paris. And a secret award we have not revealed yet. You'll also get to hear about the making of the finest interactive demos in SaaS, so stick around until the end. The people have crowned their champions, and we'll find out which interactive demos have made the cut. But before we get there, we really want to take a minute to thank our incredible panelists. Let's start with Chris Mabry from Pre-Sales Collective, Peter Cohan from Great Demo, Natasja Bax from the Demo Scene, Maddie Suppon from 360 Learning, Ben Williams from PL Geek, Ramli from AppQs, and Emir Atli from Hockey Stack for taking up the Herculean task of going through more than 100 plus nominations we received and then picking the top 5 interactive demos for all 5 categories. We are incredibly grateful and appreciative of your support.
That's right. We couldn't have done it without the judges. As Dwight Schrute once said, do you know what's cooler than a Triceratops? Turns out the answer is a Triceratops with its creative hat on. In honor of that extinct reptile, our first award is for the category Most Creative. This award goes to the team that has demonstrated unparalleled creativity in their demos, making the complex simple and the mundane exciting. Interactive demos in this category were evaluated on a few criteria: innovation, catchiness, surprise elements, use of multimedia, and overall impression. Take a look in the chat to see all the links to the nominated demos.
The nominations for the most creative are Supermean, Memvault, Forjaw, Leasehawk, Amazon Web Services, and the winner is Supermeme.
Congrats, Supermeme. As we wait Sanev's arrival on stage, let's dive into their award-winning demo. What I really love about this demo is the originality and creativity they've used in the memes and the humor in the copy. It made me laugh hard while watching it. It's short, sweet, and as you can see, ends with a clear CTA. No mistake. Hey, Sanev, welcome, man. Welcome. Congrats.
Thank you, Luca. Thank you, Jackson. I'm so glad this happened. Yeah, just keeping the acceptance speech short. Everyone should be using memes in their marketing. That's it.
Tell us what went into creating. Like, do you have any interesting stories to share with us?
I think I put that together, like you said at the start, in like 5 minutes. So the deadline was coming up, and then I really wanted to do something creative, and then obviously, what's not more creative than memes, and just like put that together. But it also goes into my belief that memes can be used to tell a message, and that's what I did.
Amazing work. Thank you, Sanev. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Luca. Thanks, Jackson. And I also want to thank Akshaya from Storylane. She pushed me to do this, so thank you, Akshaya.
Amazing. All right. Next up, we have the Best Choose Your Own Adventure Award. This one goes out to the team that has created the most engaging interactive demos where the user can navigate their own journey. Kind of like in A Day of Life of Michael Scott, if you ask me. For this award, the judges looked at various criteria. They looked at personalization, ease of navigation, and unique experiences for different paths, then length of the demo flows, placement of relevant CTAs, and visual appeal.
A good choose your own adventure demo is like a well-planned beet harvest. Every choice leads to a successful outcome.
Take a look in the chat for the demo links. And now let's get to
The nominations for Choose Your Own Adventure are Smokeball, Simrush, Channibal, Waterly, Won't Cause, and the winner is Channibal.
Awesome. Congratulations to Channibal. Before Sophie comes onto the stage to accept the award, let's dive into the Channibal's impressive Choose Your Own Adventure demo. So a few things I would personally highlight about this demo. Number one, the product tour menu opening at the start makes it really easy to explore those 7 different flows. And the second point, those flows are really titled around use cases and not features. So things like create rules, connect your web shot. It's the language that makes it really easy for your ICP to find the features that they care about. So it's a great example of how to structure a choose your own adventure style demo. Let's have Sophie come up on stage. All right, Sophie, congrats.
Thank you.
Awesome. Would love to hear any insights about building the demo or any cool stories about, structuring this choose your own adventure.
Yeah, I can say I just become addicted to Storylane because I just want to create demos for all parts of our software. So it's really amazing. And yeah, how I build the demo is that first I'm listening to how the sales team are pitching the tool, and then I try to reproduce this with Storylane. And let's say that with this interactive interface, it's quite easy to reproduce and to create those demos.
Love it. That's a great insight. So starting with what the sales team pitches first, what your leads care about, and then building the flows around that.
Yeah.
Awesome. Well, congratulations, Sophie. Thanks so much.
Thank you too.
All right. So every great adventure starts with a single choice, or in this case, a well-designed demo. Our next award is for the category Best Calls to Action. This goes to the team that has perfected the art of driving user actions through compelling CTAs, like how Michael drives the Dunder Mifflin team, well, to do anything. Demo CTAs in this category were evaluated on visibility, clarity, functionality, design, and copy. Also, relevance to the demo and effective balance between small ask call to actions and more direct CTAs. Take a look in the chat for all the demo links.
The nominations for best calls to action are Prodigy, One Step, Sevdesk, Red Marker, Acid Mule, and the winner is One Step.
Let's go one step. Before Talia joins us, let's see together the highlights of their demo. In this demo, I loved how they placed the CTAs. Whenever a specific topic feature overview in the demo ends, they place a CTA as an intro to the next topic. And then what you will see eventually, they end the demo with a strong primary CTA.
Seguimos the demo. Yeah.
All right, Talia, congrats.
Hi guys, thank you. I'm so excited. I pulled over. I'm on my way home from work, and I pulled over to open up my camera and say thank you so much.
Amazing, amazing. Tell us. I mean, we see that you're super excited, so that's great to hear. Can you just shortly give us a sneak peek into the creation of this demo?
Well, it went through a lot of variations, I can tell you that. We had a lot of back and forth with the different teams in the organization on what we should present, what's the easiest flow to present, how are we going to formulate the call to action. So it was really a joint effort with the marketing sales team. CS was involved, and yeah, really exciting.
Amazing, amazing, amazing. Congrats, and stay until the end. So stay there, stay parked.
Okay, thanks, guys.
Yep, you might win that trip to Paris.
Yay!
All right, talk soon, Talia. Before we move on to the next category, it's time for a rapid fire Dundies trivia. So get your hands on the keyboard. Do not open Google on a separate tab, and let's get into the questions. All right, so question number 1 for the Dundies trivia: in which season and episode do the Dundies first appear? All right, type it in chat. Let's see who's answering. Who are the hardcore Office fans who know the trivia? So we need the season and the episode. Okay, the correct answer is season 2, episode 1, titled The Dundies. All right, next question. Which award does Aaron Hannon receive in Michael's Last Dundee, the episode Michael's Last Dundee? Aaron Hannon. Let's see any guesses in the chat. Looks like Jeremy Goldstein got the previous question correct. Quick on the draw. Harsh says most hairy. Hopefully not. Luca just dropped a hint in there. Okay, so the answer for question 2, what award does Aaron Hannon get? It's Cutest Redhead Award. All right, this one is a little bit breaking the fourth wall about the creation of The Office. Which writer was responsible for writing the episode titled The Dundies? Which writer on the team? They were also an actor in the show, if that gives you a hint. Which writer came up with the idea for the episode The Dundies? Harsh said BJ Novak. Madhav said Angela. And Jeremy's right again. Also Roop, Mindy Kaling. If you said Mindy Kaling, you were correct. She wrote that episode. All right, final question. So on the episode Michael's Last Dundies, what happens to Michael's Dundee trophy at the end of it? What does Michael do with his last Dundies trophy in that episode? Harsh said it falls over. What other guesses do we have? Madhav says, does he give it to Pam? All right, the correct answer is that he gives it to D'Angelo as a gesture of friendship. He gives him the Dundee trophy.
Well done, everyone. This was amazing. But let's get this show going. Next up, we have the award for Best Storytelling. This goes to the team that has won the most compelling narratives into their demos, keeping the audience engaged and invested.
That's right. Crafting a compelling story is like cooking the perfect chili. You need to bring the right ingredients, balance the flavors, and let it simmer to perfection.
And unlike Kevin, I hope you don't drop it.
Yep. Thanks for that, Luca. Interactive demos in this category were evaluated on a couple criteria: narrative structure, engaging hooks, and a good problem solution structure. Those who brought it in the humor category also scored some serious pretzel points. So let's move on to the nominees before we get Stanley fired up about pretzels. Let's take a look in the chat for the demo links.
The nominations for Best Storytelling are Sentinel-1, Eyes On, Memvault, Stravacity, Deadbook, and the winner is Deadbook.
Congratulations, Deadbook. Awesome job. While we're waiting for Marcus to join the stage, let's watch their impressive demo. I would definitely recommend reading through every guided step in this demo to look at the copy structure. It's very narrative driven. So the first title card sets the stage with a difficult leaseholder named Gerald, and you have to successfully modify the lease and save the day using Deadbook. So I really like how the Deadbook team inserted these short video clips also between steps, which really brings the product to life. Awesome. Let's get Marcus on the stage. Marcus,
hello.
Congrats on winning Best Storytelling.
Congrats.
Thank you so much. So exciting. Thank you.
Yeah, definitely. Would love to hear like what led into that story. Why did y'all decide to structure more narrative driven? Walk me through that and why did it work?
Yeah, well, we're always trying to make things a little more interesting and not boring. And I think Storylane, right, understands that that's a great way to do that, to get people engaged in it. And, we saw it as a way, too, to take some of the pain points we know for our audience and put that into the story so that not only is it a little more fun, it's a little more specific, but hopefully it hits a little bit harder, relates to them a little bit more. So, yeah, we love using the product. It's super fun, super easy, and lets us take, all those features and put them in a much more compelling package.
Awesome. Yeah, and taking the features and not overloading with jargony language, keeping it around the stories that your customers face day to day is going to make it more compelling.
Absolutely.
Awesome. We appreciate it, Marcus. Congratulations.
Thanks so much.
Thank you, Marcus. Every great story, folks, has a beginning, a middle, and a wow. So what you just saw was an amazing demo. Our next award is Best Design. This goes to the team that has created the most visually stunning and user-friendly demos. The judges here looked at overall aesthetics, ease of following steps, brand consistency, and usage of visual elements. And the nominees for Best Design are...
The nominations for Best Design are ForJaw, Pipeliner CRM, Sentinel-1, LodgeLink, People AI, and the winner is People AI.
Well done, People AI. That's great to hear. While we are waiting for Stephanie, let's review the award-winning demo. The blend of colors in this demo is spot on. The backdrops, as you can see, darkness the surrounding area to focus attention on a specific section. The chatbot functionality you're seeing adds a real-time touch, making it feel like it's chatting with you while you watch. It's amazing.
All right, Stephanie's joining us. Congrats on winning Best Design. Great to see
Thank you, Luca. Thank you, Jackson. Much appreciated.
Yeah, how does it feel to win the award?
It feels fantastic. I'm a brand new Storylane user. This is, I think, the second demo that I ever created that we submitted here. So very, very exciting.
That's great. So thinking of best design, what went into making this demo and really being intentional about the design elements?
Yes, Jackson, you know from our purchasing process with you that it was incredibly important that we made a demo that best represented our product. And as you saw in the demo, there's like that live chat experience. So it was really important to us that we found a vendor that could help us make that come to life. And Matt and Mariah helped us do that with some custom code. So much appreciated.
Definitely. That was a great touch and such a cool feature to see rolled out with the animation. Okay.
Absolutely.
Yeah. Congratulations, Stephanie. We hope to see you at the back half and maybe win the trip to Paris.
Awesome. Thanks.
Yeah. Appreciate it. All right. As Michael Scott once said, you miss 100% of the shots you don't take. Stephanie took the shot and she scored.
That's right, Jackson. That's right. Now moving on to the final secret award we mentioned in the beginning. Any guesses to what it might be? Just drop them in the chat.
What is the secret award? Any guesses in the chat?
Any guesses? Best necktie award.
Necktie award. I think I'm winning that one today.
Definitely, you win. Yeah. Most submissions. Okay, fair one.
Most references to The Office.
Shoot tasting with Gordon Ramsay. Oh my God, that sounds amazing, man. That's next year. That's the season 2 of Demo Dundies. Amazing. Okay, great guesses, folks. Great guesses. The award that wasn't revealed is the Audience Choice Award. This goes to an interactive demo that received a lot of love from the audience.
The winner of the Audience Choice Award is Memfault.
Congrats to Memfault. Y'all win the Audience Choice Award. While we're waiting for Bernard to get on the stage, let's take a look at their demo. There's a ton of things to love about the Memfault demo. I think they did a great job making product analytics as a category feel very simple and accessible to everybody because they had this really cool like dumpling theme, and they were kind of interweaving the narrative of using the product in more technical aspects with like, you know, making dumplings and the allegory of a kitchen. And then they finish off with a really cool touch in that dumpling holding the French flag with the Eiffel Tower in the back. So definitely fitting for the Paris trip. Let's get Bernard up on the stage. Yeah, congrats, Bernard. Fantastic, fantastic. How does it feel?
Feels pretty good. I'll be honest. I was really surprised to hear that we won the People's Choice Award. It's awesome. Thank you.
Yeah, awesome. Can you tell me more about what went into making the demo?
Yeah, for sure. You know, almost 5 years ago, we at Memfault created a company mascot called the Core Dumpling. It's kind of like a play on the word core dump, which is you know, a term in firmware development, picture of a memory of a device, capture when a device crashes. And so we really wanted to incorporate this into, you know, a demo, just create a fun, engaging way to highlight the awesome features that you can have if you purchase our product. So yeah, really, really exciting, and happy to have used Storylane to help tell our story.
Yeah, and the people, they love the dumpling mascot. What's not to love?
Yeah, I mean, who doesn't love dumplings, right?
Yep.
Thank you, Bernard. That was amazing, amazing. But stay with us until the end. Perfect.
Yeah.
All right, cool, guys. So now, ladies and gentlemen, right, the moment that we're all been waiting for. Who among the category winners will win an all expenses paid trip to Paris?
Let's go to the all-knowing wheel to find out. And let's recap the winners of each category that are in the running for the trip to Paris. So for the category Most Creative, we have Sanji from Super Meme. For the category Best Choose Your Own Adventure, Sophie from Channable. In the running for Best CTA is Talia from One Step. For the category Best Storytelling from DebtBook is Marcus Emanuel. From People AI winning the category Best Design is Stephanie. And then finally, Audience Choice is Bernard from Menfault. So we're about to spin the wheel. There might be a slight lag because it's, coming from the screen, but all completely random. Who will be in Paris soon? Who will see the Eiffel Tower? Who will be sipping champagne on the Champs-Élysées? It all comes down to the wheel.
I'm excited. Let's see.
Will it be? Oh, it was right on the line, but it stays on Channable. Congratulations to Sophie. You have won the trip to Paris. Amazing. Awesome. Let's get Sophie on the stage.
Amazing. Congrats. Let's bring Sophie.
All right. Sophie's joining us. Sophie, you won the trip to Paris. Congratulations.
Yes, great. Thank you. Thank you. I'm so surprised.
Awesome. What do you want to tell everybody? What are you excited to do in Paris?
Oh, well, it's been a long time I've not been to Paris. So, yeah, I will probably enjoy walking through the different areas next to the Eiffel Tower or in the hidden areas in the east, or I don't know. I will enjoy my time for sure.
Okay.
And I will think about all the storylaners, of course.
We appreciate We appreciate that. And please be sure to send us a postcard, okay?
Sure.
And take a few pictures. Yep.
Thank you so much.
Awesome. Thank you, Sophie. Congratulations.
Congrats, Sophie. Congrats. And everybody, with that, we've come to the end of Demo Dundies. I must say, what an amazing year. What an amazing first year, actually, for the Ultimate Rewards show in the demo automation space. Thank you so much all for participating, being here, and making this a special one for all of us at Storylane. We know that it's the people and the passion that make everything worthwhile.
And the beats. Don't forget the beats.
And beats, of course. Good day, everyone, and keep making those amazing demos. Bye-bye.